Are you tired of using subpar detailing tools that just can't get the job done? Look no further than Speed Master and Cobra Microfiber products. Speed Master, the brand that's revolutionized wheel cleaning and now offers a full line of must-have detailing tools. From wheel brushes, to swirl finder lights, to polisher racks and more, Speed Master products are engineered to work as hard as you do. Experience the ultimate wheel cleaning brush with the Speed Master wheel brush designed to clean today's intricate wheel designs without scratching delicate finishes. Another great tool for detailers are the Cobra Microfiber products. Their microfiber products are specifically designed to do a specific job that can't be beat. From premium microfiber tiles and wash mitts, Cobra offers the perfect blend of strength and softness to give your car the ultimate shine. Upgrade your detailing game and check out our selection of Speed Master detailing tools and Cobra Microfiber products at Autogeek.com.